You're watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI, and online tools easy to understand. So, Google's AI features may be enabled on your Gmail by default. In this video, I will show you how to turn them off in just a few simple steps to give you more control over your privacy. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get started to it. So like I said, did you know that Google may use Gmail data to power certain AI and smart features? If you don't want these features enabled, you can turn them off in just a few steps. So what you're going to do is to tap on your Gmail. Let me just go back to show you. You're going to tap on your Gmail. After tapping on your Gmail, you're going to head to your setting. Then when you get to your setting, all you have to do is to click. If you have multiple, like you can see that I have multiple Gmails. So all you have to do is to click on each of the Gmails and turn off these smart AI features. I hope you know that. So all you have to do is just look for and once you click on that Gmail, you look for the AI or smart features options. It depends on the phone you are using. If they are enabled, simply switch them off. I hope you get that. So I'm going to click on this now. Then I'm going to look for smart features. Going to look for now. As you can see, my smart features is turned on. It's already enabled, so I'm going to switch it off. Then I'm done for that. I'm going to get to my next Gmail. Like I said, if you have multiple Gmail, you have to turn it off for everything. This as well is enabled. I'm going to turn it off as well. Okay, the next one. This is also enabled. I'm going to turn it off as well. The next one as well. I'm going to turn it off as well. Then the next one, which is this, I'm going to turn it off as well. And the last one, which is of my Gmail, I'm going to turn it off as well. Turning this setting off limits Gmail use of your data. So the reason why you're turning this off is not to allow Google to be able to scan or go through your personal stuffs, maybe your bank statements and whatever. That's the purpose. That's the purpose, to protect your data from AI powered features. It won't delete your emails or affect your ability to send and receive messages. This you just turn off now does not affect anything in your Gmail. You just did that to protect it, to protect your privacy, to own your privacy by yourself. Your Gmail will continue to work normally, but with those AI features disabled. Followed for more quick Gmail and Android tips. If this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, subscribe. Like I told you, after watching my video, always make sure you subscribe and turn on notification for more Gmail, Android, and AI tips. Thank you for watching. AI Made Simple.